Okay, let's talk about the circle of fifths here. Okay. We're going to talk about it in 3 parts, which is, what is it even? Okay. All right. Why does it exist? Okay. And, how can I, as a beginner, use it to help me with music theory? And, these are kind of interconnected, but I'm going to give you a couple of real world examples so you know how to use it. Okay. All right. So let's get a new page here. Circle of fifths is a diagram. It is a circle, obviously, and it helps you. What is it? First off, it's a diagram. At its basic level, that teaches you key signatures. Okay. So as you go around the circle here, you have the key names, sharps and flats. Okay. Let me just go backwards here. So starting at the top with C, you have no sharps, no flats. Okay. Then the second key on the key signature is G with 1 sharp. Okay. Then you get over here to D with 2 sharps. Okay. And then you get over here to A, 3 sharps, so forth and so on. And this thing is traveling around the circle in fifths. So G is a fifth away from C, D is a fifth away from G, A is a fifth away from D, so forth and so on. And you're traveling around here in fifths. Okay, so this is 4 sharps, 5 sharps, so forth and so on. Then you get over here. Whoops, I might not have drawn this exactly correctly here. And then F sharp, okay, which is also G flat. And then you have D flat, A flat, E flat, okay? And so this is D flat, C sharp, okay? So this is 5 sharps, 6 sharps, 7 sharps, or everything sharp, okay? Sorry, 5 sharps, 6 sharps, 7 sharps. These two here are what we call our inharmonic keys, okay? Meaning they sound the same but are spelled differently. All right, so C sharp major and D flat major, okay? And as we keep going around in fifths around the circle, we get into the flat keys, and it works the same way. We're going fifths, and we have a certain number of flats. So like this is, key of F is 1 flat, okay? Key of B flat is 2 flats. Key of E flat is 3 flats. And you see how this works. Now, if you want to know exactly how to write a key signature, I do that in another video, which I'll link up at the end of this one. But this is what the circle of fifths is, okay? All right, so here we go. Check mark here. What is the circle of fifths? Now, why does it exist? Well, it exists for this reason of the key signatures, okay? To help us know and remember how many sharps, how many flats are in each key signature. And by the way, the minor key signatures are here on the inside. So we have A minor, E minor, B minor, right? So for every key signature, there's a major and a relative minor, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, okay, so forth and so on. And notice that these are also traveling here in fifths. Okay, E is a fifth away from A, B is a fifth away from E. All right, so that's still, this is the other reason it's called the circle of fifths, because even if we're talking about major or minor, everything is a fifth away from the previous key. Okay, and then you have all of the, G sharp, and so this, relative, we have, let's just keep going, in fifths. D sharp minor, right? And then the equivalent, which is E flat minor, okay? So forth and so on. So this is D minor, okay? Oops, how do that? G minor, yes. C minor, and F minor, okay? So everything traveling fifths. So helps you with the major keys, helps you with the minor keys to remember, okay? So now, the last question is, how to use it, okay, as a beginner here in music theory. Well, I can use it to look up key signatures. So if something is in D major, then I can come refer to the circle of fifths and see that it has two sharps. Okay, or if I see a key signature that has two sharps, I can come and look at this and know that it's either going to be D major or B minor. Yes, and I can do that for any key. If I see a key that's in two flats, and I think to myself, what is that key called? Well, okay, well I know I'm either in B flat major or I'm in G minor. So as a beginner, when I'm first learning key signatures, learning how to spell them, or how many sharps or how many flats are in them, this is the main function of the circle of fifths, is to be able to come and reference it and look up these key signatures in this way. Okay, now hopefully that helps. If you did get something out of this, please like and subscribe. And now I referenced here, I said that I covered key signatures. I will put that video right here, okay, for the key signatures. And we mentioned the word fifth a lot, which is an interval, okay? And if you want to know more about exactly what an interval is, I'm going to put that video right here. And that one is coming soon, okay? And thanks so much for watching.